you're not gonna find this in the civilian market. I'm telling you.
Oh no, it's not. Oh, I didn't even realize this right here. Oh, I didn't even read. It's right here. It's right here. Wicked. Watch out, Jordan. Fuck, dude. That shit.
Get on my way, boy.
Yo,
your dad is my way every time. I'm not looking for you. It's not rare that is right now.
That's what is that? Oh, 7, boy. RX-7, boy. Stop. Also, I got 2 turbos, bro. Yo. It's like the
Banana wax.
How is he getting here like that, bro? Nah. That's how the static light really be, bro. That's a real low car. It's the first time I'm really seeing a real low car like this in real life. Man. How did I get around, bro? Yeah. Nah, he's static like that. Oh, look at this. Look at this part. Oh, that's it, bro. E90. Yo, look at this pilot. This pilot is. Yo, what's up? If I was gonna say dog. GTR. Nice color though.
And yo, nigga put the what the fuck?
Oh, nah.
Finally,
nice color.
finally.
Oh,
That was another G.
That's for the thing. This could be. Already told her. Nah, I thought it was the party.
Roy G. Biv, 30.
Shit crazy.
With the grill light.
This shit cool. The roof box is hard.
F10.
F10 M5. F10 boy. Shit baby. Oh, bruh.
Did not know. Big Jack in the M2 too, bro. Word. Rated by your
The Porsche can call this? Oh, the color on this shit, boy. Shit is crazy color.
Yeah, I'm wilding right now.
You're wilding right now?
I'm wilding right now. Like, I was looking to the title and I'm like,
either.
Review on the V, bro.
Nah, I mean, get her good side, bro.
Damn.
Easy swap 2002 RAV4, you know what I mean?
Holy shit.
You got the carbon fiber roof rack. You got BBS, exclusive 101 BBS wheels on this home. Peep this, peep this. This right here is a military grade antenna, you feel me? You're not gonna find this in the civilian market, I'm telling you. Custom hood panel right here, you know what I mean?
Nah, I mean,
You got a custom bent license plate for aerodynamics, you know what I mean? And yeah, that's about it. Don't look at the other side. I mean, for the interior, we got 5% in the back. We got a 4K 50-inch display for the infotainment system. We got a RPM reading carbon fiber steering wheel. We got a carbon fiber rain guard.